Okay, for question 3, okay, let me explain a common mistake made by you guys, and I want to explain why is that wrong also. I know a lot of you guys, yes, you will remember to change the meters to centimeter, right? So that would be 2,500 centimeter. And what a lot of you guys will have done would be to probably get this, you will get, oh, Jeff needs 200 pieces. Each piece is 110. So we just find out the total pieces, the length of the total pieces, which is, 200 times 110. And then you just divide by the 2,500 cm, correct or not? Then you get the number of the rows of ribbon. Why is that wrong? Okay, let me explain again. That is not correct because you're assuming with the remaining, right, that you get. The remaining pieces you can combine together to form a piece of ribbon. And that is not correct. Okay, so what should be the way? It should be, first of all, you need to find out, for each row that you buy, how many ribbons could you obtain from one row? Okay, so the length of one row is 2,500 centimeter. So number of ribbons obtained from a row would be 2,500 cm in a row divided by 110 cm. That would be the number of pieces of ribbon. Okay, that would be 22 pieces, remaining 80 centimeter. Okay, you obtain 22 pieces maximum. With the remaining 80 cm that you get from a row, you have to throw away already. You cannot keep it and then you combine with the other remaining to form a ribbon. Not possible. So you have to throw away the remaining 80 cm of ribbon of the ribbon from a row. Okay, so which means what? For every one row that you buy, you only can make 22 pieces ribbon out of it. Okay, so one row is 22 pieces. One row that you buy. You need how many pieces of ribbon, guys? You need 200 pieces, right? So 200 pieces divided by 22 pieces in a row, we will obtain 9 rows. 9 rows, right? Remaining 2 pieces. Is the least number of rows that just needs 9 rows? No. It is 9 rows, you only get 198 pieces of ribbon. You need 200. So you have to buy one more row so that you can make the remaining 2 pieces. Okay? Can? So therefore, the answer would be 9 plus 1, 10 rows. Now, let's look at this. Part A. I will have highlighted this 40 pencils and 20 erasers. Take note, in a box, there will be 12 pencils. In a packet, there will be 7 erasers, okay? If there's 40 pencils, how many boxes of 12 pencils do we have? 40 pencils divided by 12 pencils in the box, you get 3 boxes. 3 boxes and remaining 4 pencils, okay? How many boxes are there? That would be 3 boxes plus 1 more box to fit the remaining 4 pencils. Is this all right? So take note, it's not 3 boxes, it's 4 boxes, okay? 40 pencils divided by 12 pencils in the box, 3 boxes, you only get 36 pencils. You need 40. So you need 1 more box, okay, to have your remaining 4 pencils, okay? So 4 boxes, 4 times 285, that would be 1140, okay? Can? Now in one packet of erasers, 1 packet you have 7 erasers. So the big total would be 20 erasers. 20 erasers divided by 7 erasers in a packet, that would be 2 packets. Is 2 packets your answer? No. For 2 packets, you only get 14 erasers, right? So you need 20. So with the remaining 6, you need to buy 1 more packet, all right? So 2 plus 1, 3 packets. Value of 3 packets will be 3 times the 450 here, okay? You get 1350, you add them up and you get 2490, okay? Now, for part B, could I get everybody to give me your attention for part B? Okay, I believe quite a lot of you guys actually use the guess and check approach. But I want to make sure that when you guys use your guess and check approach, you are not plugging in any values. You are doing it with a logical reasoning behind. So can I get everybody to listen to me? Josh, okay, sure, if you did not use, go ahead, okay? Now, but nevertheless, I still want you to understand this, okay? Because I feel that for question 11B, a straightforward approach would be the guess and check approach. But, there is a logical reasoning behind that. And it is very fast for us to get it correct. I'm not teaching you to use any other numbers and put it inside. Okay, do listen up. Okay, this is adapted from PSLE. Okay, so now, highlight this. You are given 6 more erasers than pencils. The total number of erasers and pencils she bought was fewer than 80. You are given a range, right? You're not given an actual value. So therefore, for this approach, for this question, part B, I'm using the guess and check approach. Now, do take note. Erasers are in packets of 7. Pencils, they are in boxes of 12. Okay, so you are given, okay, there are 6 more erasers than pencils from the shop. So let me draw out this model here. Look at this. Okay, there are 6 more erasers. 6 more erasers than pencils, right? Okay, now the total erasers and pencils, you look at your question paper, it stated less than 80, fewer than 80, okay, fewer than 80. Now, can you think about it logically? What are the possible values of the pencils here? Take note, one box you have 12 pencils, okay? So you know that the possible values for here, for this box would be multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48. Is this all right? So if it's 12 pencils, it is 12, guys. If it's 12 pencils, how many erasers would we get? 12 plus 6, 18. Am I right? 18. Is 18 correct? One I know is wrong. But teacher Christina, 18 plus 12 is 30. It's less than 81. Why do you put a cross? I want to explain why I put a cross. Because 18 erasers, it is not a multiple of 7. Because one packet, 7 erasers. So I know that this is wrong. The next number that I will try would be 12 is out already. I will try 24. Multiples of 12. So it'll be 24. If it's 24 pencils, how many erasers? 24 plus 6, 30 erasers. Is 30 a multiple of 7? It's not, so just put a cross. The next number I will try would be 36. 36 pencils. If it's 36 pencils, how many erasers? 36 plus 6, 42. Yes, it's a multiple of 7. And of course, you add them up, it is less than 80. All right? So I want to explain how to solve this question using a logical reasoning behind to make your life a lot easier. Okay, Ken? So this is my thinking process, and I hope you guys can actually understand why I'm plotting my guess and check table in this manner. So you want to find out how much did Georgia spend on the erasers and pencils altogether. So how many erasers do we have? 42 erasers. 42 erasers divided by 7 erasers in one packet. So 6 packets. 6 packets of 450, that will be 27 erasers. 36 pencils. 36 divided by 12, that will be 3 boxes. 3 boxes of 285, that will be $8.55. You add them up and you get 35.55. Okay, that will be the answer.